Hey guys, I'm Fire Alarm Chief 101, and today this will be an update on my fire alarms. So today I have decided to move about 85 to 90% of my fire alarms from where it is right now to down in the basement. If you're wondering, I come over here. Both of the boards have moved, including both of my fire alarm panels. The reason that is because we're getting these walls fixed, and I don't want to mess up these brand new walls. So let me go ahead and show you where the new fire alarm control panel is, and stuff like that. So obviously we're doing a lot of renovations at our house, including some walls being built. Here, I'll show you a sneak peek of one, like this wall. But yeah, we're just, getting ready to continue, painting these walls and everything like that. I'm still keeping that fire alarm horn strobe up there, if you're wondering about that. So you head down to the basement. I am gonna wake this room up in a bit. Let's head downstairs. And since we're at it, we'll turn on the lights. Yeah, basically I'm just, renovating this place, getting everything okay and all. So I've decided to move the system down to the basement, and now my fire alarm control panels, my Siemens FS250, and my Firelight MS2 have also been moved. So here is the MS2 board. I did take down the ESC278B because it was still wobbling a little bit, so that has moved down. And then also here is my Siemens FS250. Both of these panels still operate okay. I still need to get batteries for that. Actually, now I'm thinking of it, I'm probably not going to get batteries for that. I still need to get batteries, the AC adapter, wire everything up, and put it into that board. I have a small little demo board over here. Sorry for the glare. Oh my gosh. If you can't see it that well, just bear with me. Also, sorry for the shadow as well. Again, with these lights and everything, it's crazy. This is a small demo board. I have my Simplex T-bar on the left side, my RTS 451 key switch on the middle, and then my EST278B1120, which would be addressable, but I had that, the addressable module off, and now this is conventional. We'll move over here. Here's the same FS250. Obviously, I moved it down here. Like I said before, we're painting the house and everything, so I just wanted to get that situated. And over here, this is my other demo board, my first demo board, actually. I originally had a fire alarm control panel here. Originally my MS2 right here. That was now moved to the big board right over there. In replace of that, I'm just going to put in, pull stations and everything, and probably get some new, wood pieces, so that way these wouldn't, break. But on this setup, I have a Simplex SP1-TV on the setup. So let's head back upstairs. Actually, before that, I do have a new fire alarm spot. I'll go through here in the their collection and the dirt wall. I know it's a little bit, messy and everything. We'll try to get that situated. Right here, I have a new fire alarm spot on this wall over here. That is going to be permanent for now until I can find a way to move this closer to the board. And you can actually see the board. I know you can't see it, but you can actually see the board from over here, which is crazy. Yeah. Maybe someday I'm just gonna put a fire alarm spot right here on like a pedestal or something, or like, I don't know, something around here. And no, I am not gonna, and yes, I'm gonna be continuing my dream of becoming a fire alarm enthusiast, doing more system tests for you guys, and making you guys proud, as much as I can. So let's head back upstairs, grab my keys, and I'll show you what I've been doing lately. Well, panel wise. As I almost tripped. So yeah, we're starting to get into the hang of it now with everything going on. Well, since I'm already here, I might as well grab my keys. So what started out with this community was, I originally started my fire alarm system tests on that wall over there with my panel over here, and with the other panel on this wall right here. But due to Christmas and other stuff, that were taken into this room. And before long, I think like a couple years from now, I was wondering if I was starting to have both panels downstairs, what you just saw right now. Right now, it is just these fire alarm pole stations, as well as that pole station, that horn strobe, those two key switches, and that break glass rod. Hopefully if I'm able to, I can find my Simplex 4906 9127. I don't know where I put it. As well as that push station and that speaker strobe. Right there. Let's see. What other thing am I looking forward to? I guess nothing else recently, except for the fact, here are the extra screws. I'm probably not going to use those extra screws. I'm probably going to, add to, like, this small demo board that I have on the basement, or, like, continue to expand more, with this speaker strobe, or, like, that push station. But I still have no idea on that. In the meantime, since I'm already up here, I'm going to do a small walk test on only the MS2, if I can fit my SPSR speaker strobe. I am still going to do a collection, a new collection with everything. But for now, I have the system set to walk test. Actually, yeah, I'm going to set that to walk test shortly. But for now, we're going to go ahead and test all the devices to see if they work. I'm going to start with the notifier, NFL, with the notifier BNG1. So that AN80, do you know that does work? While we're here, we might as well test the notifier, NBG12L. Alright. I think I have this one set for silent walk test. I don't know. I think maybe someday I'm going to add my SPSR speaker strobe to have a voice evac system, but I'm still not sure of it yet. And if you're still wondering, I still have the monitor module for the ADT BG12LX. Alright. Or maybe I was thinking of moving the my mini board, like the mini board upstairs. So that way I don't have to walk up and down the stairs. Yeah, I hear ya. You know what? Since we're already here, we might as well, silence that. I'll head downstairs. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna turn that light on. Alright. Yeah, no, let's keep that on. Let's head over to the SP1 pole station. Actually, I got my key real quick. Make sure it's a Cat 30. And make sure it's the right key. Yep. Hopefully that's the right key. Yep, there we go. Okay. Let's head over now to the Simplex T-bar. But first, I'm going to get my key. I'm going to use a spare A135 key. Speaking of which, I'll test that first. And we'll test the reset, even though that doesn't do anything. Alright, test the T-bar next. I don't want to tip this over, so my key. Let's go and get my Cat 45 key. And if you are wondering, my 278A REL, I will get my REL pole station, but I don't have that with me at the moment. Go ahead and then unlock the panel now. Let's grab a DeWalt. Let's pull this next. I don't know why I keep separating over that. I am gonna have to tighten that up eventually. Got my forehead. Go ahead and test this next. Let's move the bucket. Okay. I'll set these 2 screwdrivers down here. Let's open this up and let's grab our Cat 60 key, which actually works on MS7, FCI MS7 pull stations. I don't know why, but this is like someone's house key, so. I have no idea why the owner of this gave me this, but yeah. Let's grab our M46 SL key. Nope. Right. Okay. While I'm doing this as well, the pin is also on walk test as well, but I'm not gonna bother with that. And I'll just key activate this pulsation. Going to reset. I'm gonna make sure this box is closed. Also, I did get this as well. Watch out for that as well, because if I am an OM, I wouldn't recommend you guys not opening this while I'm in operation. I am gonna expand on this board, mainly that board as well, but mostly this one. So yeah, guys, that was the April walk test and update on my fire alarm setup. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Fire Alarm Chief 101, and I'll see you guys next time for Mini System Test 24.